Welcome to Autofactor. Our website is built to make ordering car essentials quick, simple, and stress-free. To make an order on the website, click on the top left corner and you find a drop-down menu of parts we have for sale. To add any of the available products to cart, click on it. Let me show you how. Click on the spare parts option. Select suspension parts. Fill in the details of the vehicle and then make a choice on suspension parts you need. Let's add one more order to the cart. Go back to the drop-down menu. Spot the tire category. Then go ahead to select your specifications, and now, let's make your tour even better. Click on a specific product and scroll down an inch where you'd find better details and specifications on your preferred choice, then you can add to cart. Now, you have successfully made an order on the Autofactor website. Let's check out. At the top right corner, you'd find a cart button. Click on it and confirm your order before clicking the checkout button. If you are new here, you'll need to create an account, which would take less than 2 minutes. All you need to do is fill in your details. Fill your delivery address and proceed to the payment options, and there you go. It's simple and easy to use, just so you get the best out of Autofactor. For all complaints, you can contact us using the WhatsApp button or the call button, and we ensure you get the best service.